Today we know about how to use AI and I tool. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we know about I and I tool. In this video we used I tool and I. Wait, one more last thing, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share the video. 1. Generate ideas. Use AI-powered tools like content generators or topic suggestion platforms to come up with ideas for your YouTube videos. 1. These tools analyze trends, keywords, and user preferences to provide you with content ideas that are likely to perform well. 2. Script writing. AI can assist in generating scripts or providing content suggestions. 2. You can use natural language processing tools to refine your scripts, improve grammar, and enhance readability. 2. This can help ensure that your video content is engaging and easy to understand. 3. Video editing. AI-based video editing tools can help streamline the editing process. 3. These tools often offer automated features like scene detection, audio enhancement, color correction, and even AI-generated subtitles. 3. They can save you time and effort while maintaining the quality of your video content. 4. Personalized recommendations. Leverage AI algorithms to understand your audience's preferences and viewing patterns. 4. Platforms like YouTube have recommendation systems that suggest relevant videos to users. 4. By analyzing the data and feedback from your audience, you can create more tailored content that resonates with them. 5. Transcription and translation. Use AI transcription services to convert your video's spoken content into text. 5. This helps improve accessibility and enables search engines to index your video accurately. 5. Additionally, AI-powered translation tools can automatically translate your video captions into multiple languages, expanding your reach to a global audience. 6. Thumbnail optimization. AI tools can assist in creating eye-catching and click-worthy thumbnails for your videos. 6. These tools analyze image composition, colors, and text placement to generate visually appealing thumbnails that attract viewers. Remember that while AI can be a valuable tool in content creation, it's essential to maintain your creativity and personal touch in your YouTube videos. AI should be used to enhance and streamline your content creation process, not replace human creativity.